Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my music theory tuition series. It's exam entry time and I'd like to help you. Once you've completed the ABRSM Grade 3 workbook, and that also will mean that you will have worked through all of the information from grades 1 and 2. Remember, it's a cumulative, and you're thinking of taking the ABRSM Grade 3 exam, the best way you can prepare is to complete lots of past exam papers. In order to help you, I've worked through several years of past papers, step by step. To date, I've worked through every question with you of Grade 3 papers from 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and I've also worked through the sample papers. These are free to download from the ABRSM website. You'll find the link to that in the description, and this shows you the newly revised layout of the exam paper. You can find the link to the playlist for these video tutorials in the description and also in the cards. You can also find links to all of my video tutorials on my website if you visit sharonbill.com. You'll also find there some free PDFs. These have all the information that you need to understand to work through the grades, and you can download these PDFs in either US letter or A4 for everything you need to know in your studies. You can also find links to the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best prepare for your exam, and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're actually working through your exam paper. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really fab. Please do subscribe to my channel. There's lots more in the pipeline, lots more to come, and then we can get cracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.